Welcome to Module 3. You now have your first agent plan, but a plan sitting in a notebook doesn't change anything. Motion does. This is the module where your work begins to move. Think of your day as a river. Tasks are stones scattered everywhere. A workflow is when you align those stones to make the river flow smoothly. Today, you'll learn how to design that flow so your agent can follow it and so you can finally stop working in circles. Lena runs a small consultancy. Every Monday, she'd spend 6 hours piecing together notes from 5 clients. She wasn't inefficient, she was unstructured. One afternoon, we mapped her routine on a whiteboard, gathered client notes, summarize updates, send polished emails. Her first agent took over steps 1 and 2. By week's end, she'd reduced Monday's chaos to 45 calm minutes. Let's draw it together. Write 3 boxes: start, do, finish. In start, note your trigger, maybe new client folder. In do, describe what happens, summarize and format updates. In finish, decide where it lands, save report, email summary. When you see your work as a clean line, not a messy pile, you've already automated half of it mentally. The external system will just mirror that clarity. Here's a simple example that you can model. Every Friday, the agent collects updates from a shared folder, sorts notes by team member, summarizes into a clean 3-section report. The manager reviews it and clicks send. What used to be a Friday bottleneck is now a predictable, peaceful routine. That's not just automation, that's design thinking applied to work. Don't aim for a perfect workflow, aim for a flexible one. Each step should stand alone, so if one tool changes, the process still makes sense. For example, if your reports move from Google Docs to Notion, only one box, your finish step changes. Simplicity today is scalability tomorrow. Avoid these traps. Don't overbuild. 3 steps done well beat 10 steps done poorly. Always know what done looks like: an email sent, a report filed, a note saved. Never automate chaos. Clean up the process first, then connect it. Agents amplify clarity, not confusion. Pause here and do this now. You don't need software. Use paper. When you physically draw your process, your brain starts thinking in systems instead of tasks. This drawing becomes your first agent map, the visual plan we'll use in later modules to actually build and test your workflow. You've just made an important leap. You're no longer thinking like an employee of your business. You're thinking like the architect of it. Every system you map brings you closer to freedom, the kind of freedom that comes from clarity, not chaos. In Module 4, we'll prepare your data to match your new design mindset, because even the best workflow can't run on messy information.